Hello guys, welcome back. Today in this video, we are going to see how we can create navigation rover in Flutter application. Here as you can see, we have one screen home page. Now we are directly going to make navigation rover. So let's create one widget. Now start import material start file and create stateful widget. Now rover. Okay. Inside container we are going to create drawer widget. Inside drawer widget, we are creating our list of items for menu. Inside child, going to create list view. And for menu items, I am going to use list type. Trailing icon for title, we are going to pass text widget. Now let's copy, cut this and make function for list type. Get menu item. Here we are going to return list style widget icon. We are passing icon and title. Icon and title. Now inside list view, we are just calling the function with required parameters like icon for menu item dot home and for title home. Let's save this, and after creating navigation rover widget, we have to pass navigation rover inside our scaffold rover parameter. Rover. Now rover. Let's save this, and you can see navigation rover appeared here. When we click on this, we can see our menu item. Okay, let me change position of icon to trailing to leading. Save this. Now let's create more items. So here we can pass divider with thickness 2. Okay, and add more items like get menu item icons. Contact, one more divider, with thickness, get so here you can see the menu item. Now let's create click event for this menu items. So here we are going to pass function as parameter, and inside list type we are going to use on tap parameter. Now let's create anonymous function for all the items. Okay, let's quickly create a new page for contact. Import material dart, stateful widget or stateless widget, contact. Now inside container let's quickly replace with scaffold, app bar, and passing title contacts. Next add body, contact page. Okay, now inside click function we have to pass navigator to move on contact page when user clicks item of navigation drawer. So let's push context material route, material page route, and inside builder contact. Let's check. So as you can see, when we click on navigation drawer, we are navigating to contact us page. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. I will put link of source code in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.